Here we have the 6.0 in its natural habit. No, I'm kidding. We did some preventative maintenance. Truck's been down for a week. Been driving the 6.4. People are like, oh, you drive the 6.0? I'm like, bro, I ain't scared. I got a 6.4. Got another 6.4 over there. But my FICM voltage was cycling every 10 seconds from 48.5 down to 45.5, 48.5. And then it stumbled once on me for no reason. Looked these guys up, and instead of buying a new unknown condition $1,300 one from AutoZone, you send your FICM off and they put a new connector. I don't know, they do all kinds of stuff in it, and you spend money. And while it was there, we did a 40 horse uber duber tune thing at enough jibber jabber. Let's throw it in and fire it up, see what it does. Working on the old 6.0. Who are you? Are you a coyote? So, tech tip, if you have your engine apart and then this harness looks all chazzled up and the clips were, well, two were missing on the connector, just buy the new one. Should have did this before. Remember, we do things right because we do them twice. Aircraft environmental splice, chafe taped the forward FICM connector because I am not changing out the whole master engine truck harness. Forget that. So, easy splice job. Do that right. And then this harness, the new injector harness, and it just noodles. Take your passenger bank injectors, and it noodles right along between the turbo and the oil line. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, FICM installed. Let's hit the key here and see what she does. Fires right up. $49, never had that before. 48.5. I think it barely peaked there. We got this big 185 alternator, so that should kick in here in a second. Yeah, there that is. Cool. Let's take it for a rip. I like it. Quite happy. Hell yeah.